Who there? Let's go. We're ready for the exam. Yarny. What was accounts, by the way? Hope everybody good. In our one session, guys, but you get cancer. So do some work now. How good are you guys in a multiple choice preparation? Oh, guys, before we start, I want everybody to know this. Because I realize a lot of students say they might give up. But this is the marks allocation. So paper 2, 50% of the marks. Paper 1, 30%. The SBA, or some people do paper 3, that's 20%. So you see why you can't fail? Because if you get 20 out of 20 on your SBA or your paper 3, and you just need to do excellent on paper 1, and whatever marks you pick up on paper 2, that will make you get a good grade. Alright, without grade 2, it's hard to get a 3 if you not do well on paper 2 doing it. It's hard to get a 1. But you can get a 2, a high 2 as well. I'm going to go on this homework. In the comment section, see what I go on. Let's see how I can go in the comment section. Oh, I got the wrong profile, me now. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Big up, everybody. All right, let's go. So it says, in the number 568.7, the digit with the greatest value is it A, B, C, or D? Which is it? I'll try going in the comment section and go see what I go on. So the thing can shut. Shamai, what go on? Johnny Hilton, what go on? Biza, what go on? Jamai. Alright, Bianca said A, Jamai said A. Yeah, totally agree, right? So it's the place value they want and not the face value. 8 would be the largest digit, but it's not the face value they want. They want the place. So this is worth 500. So that would have been A. Right, let's go. And guys, I push the speed because guess what? With CXC, time is a factor. The number 9009 written in figures is, what's for number 2? POA. Oh, guys, not to forget the POA paper. So that would have been A. CXC moves tricky now, guys. You can't get no paper 1. The largest 3-digit number that can be formed by using all the digits 7, 9, and 4 is. Ruth, may I look at some fresh questions this year, to be honest, because when I look at the January paper, a lot of new questions on it. So may I look for a lot of new questions. Hope I've posted that video already. Hope you guys check it out. The January 2025 is a lot of new questions on it. Let me say a lot. So guys, prepare properly. Now the largest number, guys, remember to put the number. Like if you think 3 is A, you put 3A. If you think it's B, you put 3B. If you think it's C, and so on. Alright? So that would have been, you start with the largest number, digit rather, which is 974. So that would have been D. Now, let's move on to number 4. I want to work out number 4, guys. I'm big up the thing. Why do you think it looks so small? James eats 1/10 of a cake, Jack eat half and Mary eats a quarter. An eaten fraction is, so guys, remember, put the question number beside it, like 4A, 4B, 4C, or 4D. That way then we can make it easier to see which question you answer it. Because when it go, it's go hard to know which one you guys are answering. A multiple choice in a Dante, them ask simple questions and them ask difficult questions. And guys, somebody asked me if we still have multiple choice classes going on. Yes, I do have um multiple choice classes going on. Alright. Alright. Talisa B. Somebody say I'm horrible at fractions. Not so bad, man. Fractions not so bad. Only one person answer number 4, guys. Yeah, man, I've worked January 2025 on my channel already, guys. It's in a 2-part. You guys can check it out. So you have 1/10, right? And of course, you have a half plus a quarter. So this is our eaten. So we can just add it to get the total that is eaten. The lowest number that can go into that 10, 2, and 4 can go into would have been 20. All right, so we can say 10 into 20, that goes 2 times. So we multiply by 2, that's equal to 2 here. 2 into 20, that goes 10 times. So we multiply 1 times 10 to give us 10. 4 into 20, that goes 5 times. So we multiply by 5. So 1 times 5, that's 5. And of course, we just add and we get 17 over 20. Now this represents the eaten. Why on that? This represents the eaten. So let's look at the uneaten. So we can just put 1 as 20 over 20. Why would we that? Want it to be the same denominator. All right, and then of course we just subtract, which gives us 3 out of 20. So yeah, the one person that says B, you are correct. Nobody else says B, guys. What's happening? Guys, and you can't go exam shake, Not after we have so much videos and something on YouTube. Learn how to do them though, alright? Don't swat them. Alright, let's go. Number 6 says a television set can be bought for $860 cash or on a hire purchase with $100 down payment and 12 monthly installments of $70 each. The amount that may be saved by buying the television cash is oh Jamal, just WhatsApp on. I have class tomorrow. We will link it after class. Just WhatsApp on the number there. Yeah man, Dante, me see chat man, me see chat. It won't be A. Hold on guys, let me just go back. It won't be A. It would have be 3 over 20. I don't know what A is saying. Let me just look back. Hold on guys. Let me just look back quickly. A. A. Oh. Circle the wrong one. So 3 over 20. Me circle, me work out this and put, yeah. Sorry guys, sorry. Sanjay, your tablet are ring. All right, sorry about that, guys. I circled the wrong one. Keep them, brother. All right, a television set can be bought for 860 cash or an higher purchase with $100 down payment and 12 monthly installments of $70 each. The amount that may be saved by buying the television cash is, guys, this is not year paper, you know. These are just some past papers from out of Trinidad and Tobago. Big up all the people who eat curry chicken and chicken curry. Alright, this is from Trinidad and Tobago. What's the answer for 6, guys? Nobody never do higher purchase on their SBA. Alright. Johnny will say A. That's the only answer I got so far. Somebody say what happened to number 5? Hold on there. Bomba! Yo, we never know say number 5. Sorry, guys, sorry. Yo, an item sold for $300 is originally cost $200. The profit as a percentage of the original cost is, guys, sorry, me never see it. Me never know, sir. Me never mind. I know me never read the paper yet, you know, guys. So me charge off. Yo, why answer for number 5? Dante, me no good at all, bro. You see, say I be a madness, man. Me no good. If you have a class with a youth from US and in call and cancer, I say, you know what? I'm not even a race. I'm just go on YouTube. Put in some work. Come on, hardly get time, guys. Alright, me now see Dante, me don't know which era out of Trinidad. I think I then just put some multiple tries together. Alright. I could work out number 5. It's an item sells for $300. Its original cost $200. The profit as a percentage. So we need the profit first, right? So it's gonna be 300 minus 200. So the profit is 100. And of course, we have the profit as a percentage of the cost price times 100%. Of course, the profit is 100. The original cost would have been 200, right? And we times that by 100. This into this 1, this into this 2. So that would have been 50%. So number 5 is B. You see somebody saw 33%. That is if it was the selling price, if the profit was of the selling price. All right, number 6 says a television set can be bought for $860 cash or an higher purchase with $100 down payment and 12 monthly installments of $70 each. The amount they may be saved by buying the television for cash is, I think Janelle did answer this already. What about the others? Let's go, guys. We are go slow, you know? We are go slow. We are move slow. City Angles are come up to, you know, guys. I put in some work in City Angles. I keep at least 3 marathons. So those who are the City Angles and link me. Grade 4 and 5 marathon are go on tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday. So link me up, you know. Don't bother wait. Don't bother wait, guys. Don't bother wait. All right, so let me see 6A, let me see 6A. All right, let's go. So a television, so the cash price of 860. We don't need that yet, right? It says a down payment of $100 plus 12 monthly installments of $70 each. So over the 12 months, you're going to pay $70 each. So it's going to be 70 times 12. That's each month you pay that, right? And that will give 840 and we add that to give you 940. So these are the total higher purchase. But them say, how much should I pay for? How much should I save by paying cash? So all we have to do, subtract the difference, 0, so 6 from that we can't. That leave 8. So that's $80, yeah. Good job. Number 7, work out number 7, guys. 7 bracket x minus y minus 5 bracket y plus x is equal to, is it A, minus 10y, B, 6x minus 6y, C, 10x minus 10y, or D, 10y? What's the answer for that? All right, City and Guilds, guys, is basically 60 multiple choice questions, right? And you get 2 hours to do it. So CXC give you 60 questions, 1.5 hour. City and Guilds, they give you 60 questions and you get 2 hours to do the 60 questions. All right. The good thing about City and Guilds, stage 3 is accepted worldwide. All in Afghanistan where them are bomb people. Iraq. Them accept City and Guilds there. It's a British exam, no SBA, no paper 2, just 60 multiple choice. For September, I'm gonna take in 100 students for City and Guilds. So anybody want to sign up? To be honest, guys, some of the space I go to me PEP students. I'm gonna make my PEP students try it. All right, Mrs. 7C, Mrs. 7C, and Mrs. 7C. I'm gonna make my City and Guild students right and my lower school. So I'm gonna have about 50 spaces for others. So everybody can sign up. We don't have my number already. All right, let's move on to number 7. The same thing what CXC can do. Oh, you get a distinction. Was it stage 3? That means why you stress over CXC? Everything what CXC can do, that can do to and more. The only thing it can do, I make you become a maths teacher. Or if you do an engineering course, you can do it. But everything else, if you want to go college, if you want to go UTech, if you want to go UE, City and Guilds can do it. Right now, guys, may I tell you the truth. If you come down to choose next year between City and Guilds and CXC, if you teach it, I'm going to teach City and Guilds. Because the value is much greater and it's much easier for the kids as well. Yeah, man, stage 3 are the highest. So 5 times x is 5x. 5 times negative y minus 5y. So guys, everybody should add it. Minus 5y. Negative times that, minus 5x. Remember, we're multiplying by negative 5, right? So please bear that in mind. So group them now. We have 5x minus 5x minus 5y minus 5y. This is going to actually give us 0. And we add both of these because both of them negative. So the answer is actually negative 10y. So that would have been A. Guys, you know now put the number in. Somebody say C. Can be C, guys. One a negative and one a positive. I redeem myself with an equation. If minus 12 minus 4 bracket minus 2x equal 4, then x is. No, Jama, you don't need CXC if you go college. City and Guild stage 3 can carry there. I'm gonna become an ambassador for it, I'm gonna tell everybody about City and Guilds. Everybody in the world. And if you're that foreign, guys, and you want to do City and Guilds with me, you can do it. All you have to do is just fly down one time to do the actual exam. What the answer for number 8? Let's go. All right. Me say D. Root say D. Root, you now put the number. Number 8, that right? No root. I mean, I tell you, you don't need it for no teacher's college. Michael accept it. Alright? I'm telling you. You take accept it. UWI accept it. I've been to many seminars and they said that's the case. Alright? They wouldn't lie to me. So, Only you see if you do maths, like you want to be a maths teacher, you have to do CXC maths and keep. But me I talk about if you want to go college, go study English language, you can use City and Guilds. You want to do primary education, you can do City and Guilds. You want to become a fireman, you can use City and Guilds. If you want to become a chemistry teacher, a bio teacher, all right, Jamal, I love that. I'm just making a note though. So if especially persons who will be going abroad to live, you can definitely do City and Guilds because it's valuable abroad. That's why I'm gonna focus on it now, guys. I'm gonna focus on it a lot. All right, let's go. So according to the Bundas rule, we multiply first, right? So it's gonna be -4 times -2x, which is gonna give us positive 8x. Of course, we have -12, and that must equal to 4. We want to get x by itself, so we do the opposite of this, which is +12. And of course, we have 8x. 4 plus 12 is equal to 16. And then we divide both sides by 8. So x is equal to 2. Good job, guys. Good job. Feel like someone already fit, you know. And then we're gonna repeat question, a fresh question them here, you know. So yeah, we're now going good. Number 9, guys. When factorized completely, the expression ax plus bx minus by can be written as. All right, do number 9. Guys, you know now put the number doing you know put the number so I can get to know which number I want answer. Me just see A, B, and C. Jamal, you can be a doctor, man. Go for the doctor. So you can have your own practice after a while. In any job, guys, choose a field where you can become your own boss. Don't have to limit yourself to your career path. And if you're gonna be a doctor, have a YouTube channel where you teach other kids how to pass the exam and them something. You can literally earn. You don't have to wait till you turn doctor, you earn. And you can tutor too, bio and chemistry students. The old ways of making money is no longer, you know, guys. You have to branch off. Tutoring, you have unlimited salary there, so just depends on how many students you get and them something. All right. Makes sense. Yeah, man. I can tutor from anywhere. All right. A then say number 9 is A plus B and X minus Y. YouTube pay based on the views, you know. It pay, yeah man, it makes sense to me. Two things it pay upon, basically. The number of views where you get money for that. If people watch your ads, you get money for that. And guys, the thing about it, just consider YouTube as something where somebody send money for you from foreign every month. But every month them probably give you more than what you usually get. So the more subscribers and the more views you get, is the more money you get. So it's a real business. And guys, you can literally will your YouTube channel to someone. So it's a real business. And you pay taxes as well, because when the time for you get money, you have to fill up on farm. But and you see if you have American audience, you get more money. If you have just Caribbean audience, you not get enough money. Like if a American audience. So it tricky too. Cause they pay more. Like if 1,000 Americans watch your video, you get more than if 1,000 Jamaicans. That's how they do it. It kind of bias. Alright, let's go. So we have AX minus AY plus BX. Guys, you know see this in the paper too. Of course. And A is common, so we pull out A, and then we have X minus Y. B is also common, so we pull out the plus B. And of course, b into that leave x, b into b, y mean leave y. Yeah, so I see the answer x minus y and a plus b. That would be the correct answer. Good job. All right, so that would have been b. The answer them look so close. Let's move on to number 10. In the triangle, find the value of x. What would be the value of x in the triangle? Guys, every month you get paid, man. Every month you get paid. But it have a cut-off time and then it start build up back. But every month, as long as I reach 100 US, you're gonna get paid every month. Right now, I have about 5 checks to collect from them, because I mail them a come through. To show you how I'm busy, I don't even have the time to collect them. I have 1 year, and I have 4 at the post office. Guys, I literally go use my YouTube money to finance my son college something. If you want to become a doctor, I can afford it because of YouTube. Plus, I take vacation out of it already. And I buy a portion of thing, guys. I buy a laptop out of it. I borrow that from my son. I borrow it because I tell him, say, I'm going to make that be like him college fund. But him just not 7th grade, so, yeah. But I want good something, though. YouTube, I want good something, I tell you. I rate YouTube. Even though I'm on TikTok, I YouTube, I rate. Like, I go up on TikTok, to tell people, say, go up on YouTube. Literally, I rate YouTube. All right. In the triangle, the value of x is, so guys, we know that this side is 90, this angle rather is 90 degrees. So that means the 3x plus the 2x must equal to 90. Why 90? All the triangles add up to 180 degrees. So the 90 minus the 90 is going to give you 90. So these two add up to 90 degrees. All right, so that will give you 5x equal to 90. And then we divide by 5. So x is equal to 18 degrees. So that would have been A. Good job, good job. Number 10 million, guys. Look at number 11. A square minus 9b square is, see place here, guys, when we get the paper here from San Fernando Central Secondary School Library. That's in Trinidad, right? Oh, Ruth, you know, so me not get no money from TikTok. Others people give me, but TikTok itself not pay. So God forbid, if me dead today, they still gonna make money on YouTube. If my son upload stuff on it, him not get paid forever. Because them demonetize it after, I think after 6 months. If you're not post for 6 months, them take off the monetization. So me never get no money from TikTok, guys. That's why I rate YouTube. Well, go on, Leroy. All right, somebody say 11 at B. B again. Guys, now for people in there. Come here, look at the people there. I'm got 2 answer me and say answer. How are going, guys? Exam what? 3 weeks away? We have to go harder than that. So we just find the square root, right? Now, what they multiply to give a squared as a, and of course, that would have been 3b the square to get the 9b. So 1 on the left, 1 on the right. 1 must be positive, and 1 must be negative. So this would have been a plus b and a minus 3b. Big up Trinidad and Tobago. Land of the curry chicken on the chicken curry. All right, let's move on to number 12. Let me see if I up or down. I'll go on this one. I'll go on. Let me see if I... All right, so up we're supposed to go. I like the paper here, guys, because it's authentic. It's not a past paper where you can say, oh, I see that one there already. That one here actually make you have to think. What if CXC do something like this? What if them get a paper like this and say, yo, what this my job? Leroy, you don't have to be a fan of math to learn math. I always tell students that. You just can't learn it, right? You don't have to be a fan. You don't have to love it. Just learn how to do it. Yeah, it was a right triangle. Static, what go on? You good? Big up, man. Big up. Welcome back. We're at number 12. A boy received 3 times as much allowance as his sister. Together they received $240. The girl's share is A, is it $20, B, $40, C, $60, or D, $240. We are at number 12. Please put the number, guys. Still waiting on number 12 answer. If you are watching playback, make sure say I try the question before the solution, all right? All right, let me tell you how YouTube work, guys. Say for example, you have some old videos, right? And for last, when you just start, you get pay for it. Whatever views you accumulate, you get pay for it. So one next year now, or one next month, people watch the same video, even for the same people, you still get views. Yeah, man, Leroy, I have grade 6 class. I have every class. I have class from grade 3 go straight to grade 11. I stop teach 6 farmers now, guys, because I get so busy with the other something then. I don't have time for A level again. And sometimes I help out couple university students. It depends. If it's convenient, because rough now. I have so many classes. Alright, so look how easy it is, guys. I could say we are represent X represent the girl share, right? So the boy would be 3 times the girl. So the boy would be 3x, right? And all together they receive 240. So we know say if you add both of them, we're supposed to get 240. So that would give you a 4x equal 40. So the girl share 1. So yeah, girl share this we are finding, divide this by 4, which is what 60. So that would have been 60. So that means the girl gets $60, the boy gets 3 times it would have been 180. And when you add it, you get 240. Alright. That one here nice too, guys. Them are normally come at number 40 in a CXC. The score obtained in a spelling competition are 5, 8, 9, 6, 9, 3, 5, 7, 9, 9, and 8. The modal score is, what's the answer for 13? Big up senior Forbes. Sidisha senior Forbes. Or your married name Forbes. Alright, big up Mrs. Forbes. Yeah, man, I keep every class, guys. I keep every class. Just WhatsApp me. I'm gonna have summer school starting first week in July. No, I think probably second week. Whenever school close, the following week, summer school. Alright, for PEP, 3 days a week. I know PEP are one tough piece of exam. So 3 days a week for that. If you're in a lower school, we are doing it for 1 day, but we are going to do 2 hours. So we probably just do that on a weekend. If you are the CXC, we have it for you as well. I'm gonna have an advanced lower school because I have some really top students, but they're in grade 7 now, going grade 8. So I'm in grade 8, going grade 9. I'm gonna have their class because they are so advanced, I have to be giving them CXC materials. I think that's my strongest group of students. Like who do prep with me and then they come back. I think they are really, really strong. Like I was doing a past paper with them yesterday and they make it look easy. So those I don't want to stop their progress. So I'm gonna push them. So I'm gonna have about 4 different group for this summer. All right. So I see 13 at D. That never hard, guys, right? The mode is the one that occurs the most. So I say 9 one time, 9 again, 9 again, 9 again. So the number that occurs the most would have been 9. All right, the difference between the highest and the lowest value in a distribution is called, is it the mean, the median, the mode, or the range? All right, Leroy, nothing wrong with that, man. You can do city and gaze with me next year. Tell the parents. Only 5,000 per month, not per week. Tejali, you can do it with me, man. I offer CXC privately, you know, and you don't have to do paper tree. As long as you're in Kingston or you can come in Kingston one day to do the exam, you can do it with me. Persons in England did the exam with me this year and then fly down and do it. Persons in St. Anne, persons in Montego Bay. So you can do it, guys. It's not a problem. All you do is just send the money to me. We'll make the trip, go pay the money and so. But you have to do your actual exam. And you collect your timetable too. I go find a way if it send the timetable to people, because me realize that I want struggle. Somebody have to left from all the way a Montego Bay if you come for the timetable. So that's something I go improve upon for next September. I find a way when we can get it to them without not further or something. Guys, our teacher are motivated to get up every day and teach you for free on Zoom. That hard, you know. Guys, me literally pay nearly 500,000 for Zoom every year. Because my Zoom can hold a whole heap of people on it. And it not shut off every 40 minutes. So I have to pay for that. How to say algebra is the reason I started to hate maths. Alright, somebody said 12 a C. What the answer for 14, guys? Oh, 14 T. Yeah, man, whether you're the sixth form or not, you can do maths with me. If you're an adult, you can do maths with me. If you're in lower school, if you're in grade 9, and you're willing to do maths, you can do it with me. All you have to do, start summer. Alright, so the difference between the highest and the lowest value would be the mode. These are just knowledge base, right? You don't have to do any calculation. These come in city angles as well as CXC. This also come in the PEP and the SEA. So big up the SEA students as well. Alright, let's look at number 15, guys. It says the table shows the number of lunches given to the students in a class in a certain week. The mean number of lunch given per day is 15, 16, 17, or 20. Just link me, man. Anybody want to do maths? Once you can come Kingston one day if you do the actual exam, Angel, big up yourself. You can actually do it with me. And you don't have to do paper tree. Also, if you want to do city and guild, so if you want to do both exam, you can do it with me. Alright? One thing with me, guys, me care about people. And a lot of people give me a lot of opportunity because they know that I care and they know that my students normally do well. Alright, so you guys are saying the mean is 20. Somebody says 16. I won't believe the 16, you know. Alright. The mean when you add up everything and you divide by the number of numbers that you added. So because it's how many days? 5 days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's find the sum. So we add 15, 20, 10, 18. I shouldn't add it, add it wrong. Because I need this space. Hold on, guys. Let me add it better. Alright, so we have 15 first. I could add them to here. Them here are 30, right? And this will be what? 25, 35. This will be 35. So I could add now 5 and 5, 10, 0 carry 1, 1 and 2, so that's 80. and it's 5 of them, so 80 divided by 5 would be 16. So that would have been B. Let's move on to number 16 rather. A census was conducted on the number of children per family in an apartment building in Trinidad. You see me tell you say that Trinidad paper, guys? Big up that teacher there, San Fernando. All right. A census was conducted on the number of children per family in an apartment building in Trinidad. The data collected is shown below on the is shown in the histogram below. The total number of children is, let me tap it one more time. What's the answer for that? Is it A, 6, B, 30, C, 40, D, 75? So we're on number 16 now. Statics, you need paper one, of course. You don't want to get a straight A profile. You need it, man. What you mean you don't need it? When I say, let me understand what you mean. When I say you don't need it, what you mean? You're not gonna sit the exam? That's what you plan to do? Not sit the exam at all? Or you're saying you don't need to do well on it? You actually need it, man. Don't come with that mindset, alright? Because even if you do well, even if you do well on paper 2, that's all the better you should do well on paper 1. Because guess what? If they go together, you know, paper 2 alone, if you get every single thing correct, that's only 50%, you know. And if you get all the SBA, that's just 20%. So yeah, man, you need it, man. You need it. Especially if you do well, you need to do excellent on it. And if you don't do well on paper 2, you need it even more. All right? So guys, no negative mindset, man. Positive. All right. How many children in a survey in San Fernando? The teacher here did a great job putting this paper together. I like it. All right, Mrs. 16 and C, C, C. Only 3 persons answer, but we're out of time, guys. We're out of time. Let's go. All right, so if you read, it's a number of children. This is the number of families. All right, we could try to understand what it say, right? This is saying the number, you have 5 family with 0 children. No, so that's my interpretation of it. So we have 5 families with 0 children. So guess what? This out, you know. This not for add. I bet you want to add this for 5. Alright, so you have 10 family with one child. So this is a 1. And then you have 10 family with 2. So this is a 2. And of course, you have 15 family with 3 children. Wow. So that means when we are pre, you have multiply 1 times 10, 2 times 10, and 3 times. Let me see for that. So that'll be 1 times 10 plus 2 times 10 plus 3 times 15. That's my interpretation of it, right? When you say number of children, 5 family of no children, 10 families of 1 child, and 10 families of 2 children, and then 15. All right, so 1 times 10, that's 10. 2 times that, what, 20. 3 times 15, 45. Guys, may I work with 75, you know? I'm sure you guys it too. It's 16. Somebody say A. I get 75, guys, because my interpretation of it is that you have a number of children, 10 family of 1 child, 10 family of 2 children, and of course you have 15 family with 3 children. So the total number of children will be 75. All right, let's go. Big up the person from San. If you live in Trinidad, big up San Fernando. All right, let's go. The diagram below shows a pie chart representing how Joanne spent her Easter vacation. Now, Easter vacation with the pan now, or Labor Day. What percentage of Joanne's Easter vacation was spent sleeping? Is it A, 25%, B, 75%, C, 90%, or D, 270%? Yeah, Francis, I agree with the 75. Joanne said 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 6. But remember, 10 family have that. So even though a 10 family have that. 10 different family. All right, let's move on to which number with it, guys? Let me see. Think at 20 with it. 17, 17. Let me show the other option. And notice it said what percentage of Joanne Easter vacation was spent sleeping. 2 more minutes, guys. 2 more minutes for the answer. All right, somebody says C, which is 90%. 17 at D, 270%. Somebody says 6. Somebody says 17 at C. C again. All right, I'm going to comment it now, guys. So we know that fishing takes up 150 degrees, watching TV 60 degrees, and reading. So we need the total, right? The total number of degrees that she actually spend doing stuff. We know that the entire thing is 360, so we could add 0, 6 and 6, 12, and that was 17. Yeah. All right. So these are 270 degrees. So in terms of degrees, it would have been 360 minus 270 degrees, which is 90 degrees. But that's not the answer, guys. That's not the percentage. Because guess what? It's 90 out of the 360 times 100 to get the percentage. So it's 90 over 360 times 100%. That works out to a quarter. So it's 25%. So this one is actually A. All right. Some prep students them are coming. We have class 6 o'clock with them, guys. Those who want to join the class, the next class will be tomorrow, all right? So we have class Wednesday, Sunday, Monday. All right, a class of 40 students sat a test and 32 were successful. The probability of choosing a student at random who was not successful is, see if we can find the answer for 18 before we go. Make sure you like the video, guys. If you watch the playback, make sure you watch. You do the answer before watching, all right? And make sure you share this with somebody who might be struggling with math. So they too can pass math, all right? Thanks everybody for coming out and, love the interaction. Notice me never try to run through the paper because I want the interaction with you guys. I want you guys to try, see your mistakes and them something there. And, so when it is all about real learning. No fake nothing around here. And if you know nobody I do PEP, SEA, CPEA, just make them link me to the help, alright? Put my number up on the screen before I go. So we have 876-549-2161. So big up everybody. Could do the answer for this one now. I'm checking out this something first and see if nobody get it. 18 at A. Somebody say 18 at A. Somebody say what is SCA? 18 at B. All right, let's go, guys. So it's a 40 students in a class, right? That's our denominator. So I'm teaching prep students probability, right? And it says 32 were successful. So we know that 32 were successful. What's the probability of a student who is not successful? So if 32 are going to be successful, sorry, 8 not going to be successful. So it's 1/5. So it's 1/5. All right, very good. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. You can watch the playback if you catch it late and so. All right, and we will link up. Somebody said D. It wouldn't be D. D would be for the successful. All right. All right. So take care, guys. I'll see you guys. All right. Let me end it something now so we can let in me students. I'm out, no doubt. So see you guys in another video. Make sure you subscribe, guys. Make sure you subscribe so I'm go live again.